So, good evening, everyone. Welcome you all for this opportunity to be a resource person, students of biomedical engineering. So, on behalf of International Focus Biomedical, I welcome you all. Today's speaker is Teja Sri from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, third year biomedical engineering. So, Teja Sri, are you ready? I hope you can able to start the session.
Yes, sir. So, sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, sir. So, good evening, everyone. Myself, Teja Sri, and I'm currently pursuing third year biomedical engineering in SRM IST Ramapuram. So, I'm truly grateful for this wonderful opportunity to be here as a resource person today. And it is an honor to share my insights and experience with all of you. So today's topic will be pros and cons of biomedical engineering as a career. So before we dive into topic, I would like to thank Athena Pandian sir, Private Limited and fovea-Z Biomedical Association and Sudarshan sir for giving me this platform to connect with you all. And this opportunity not only allows me to share my knowledge, but also enables me engaging with these peoples. And so I wanted this session to be very interactive, but I'll make sure I'll dive into topic in concepts very crisp. Um, so it is for the people who will be getting benefited with this webinar. So students, aspiring biomedical engineers, parents, educators, and early career professionals, so they can pursue it for their future. And students currently pursuing 10th or 12th or general audience are welcome. Before getting a topic, I would like to share my experience or my journey about how I came to this biomedical engineering and what convinced me to pursue it. So basically, like many of you, I have completed my 12th standard as a science group student. At that time, I was very certain about one thing, that I shouldn't get into this computer field. So I didn't want to take computer science. I explored optometry as I liked that area, and I also applied to several colleges. Actually, in fact, I got that a few of them also. However, I soon realized that I didn't want to pursue in that field. So I really want to do something in professional course. So I began searching a field which is a combination of both the science and the engineering. As a blend of both, I discovered this. I got this biomedical and biotechnology. So I chose biomedical in this. You may ask, like, why not biotechnology and why this biomedical? So for this, something I never heard of before is biomedical. So I already know about biotechnology and what it is, but it is something new, so which I wanted to explore. So there's a reason why I took this. Um, and I also wanted to clear this, like, there will be a two perspective for joining a course, which is like before and after joining the course. So my perspective before was, before joining biomedical engineering, I initially thought the field would never entirely it would entirely depend on something biology and medical related or hospital related, something like that. But honestly, I had no idea anything beyond that. But after joining this field, I came to know that biomedical engineers do work on designing devices, developing diagnostic tools, and work on the prosthetics and imaging systems. We work in hospitals and also for research labs. After joining, after my first year, second year, I got to know this, like these my information. So these are the informations basically everyone have to know before, like what is biomedical, and they have to know about all these things. So these are the things, and how this academic journey is going on. And my, as usual as everyone, the first year was very focused on the foundational subjects like physics, chemistry, and language papers, and basic triple E's, but and I didn't know that triple E would be a subject initially, but it was actually a subject, and I got the triple E for 2 years also. And by the second year, we delved into core subjects like anatomy, ECE, and sensors and medical instrumentations. And now currently we are on the BSP and many projects like that. So now let's dive into our topic, which is biomedical engineering, pros and cons as a career. Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, pa, it's visible.
So, pros and cons of biomedical engineering as a career. So, the key takeaways would be understanding biomedical engineering, their career opportunities, their pros, cons, practical insights, and also additionally have planned to explain about medical regulatories. So, an overview on what is biomedical engineering. So basically, biomedical engineering, it is completely an interdisciplinary field that applies both the physics, like both the biology side and also the engineering and medicine, to solve some problems, and all based on the pro- solve some solutions based on the problems on the medical field. And in this field, it combines both biology, medicine, engineering to create solutions for medical problems. It involves designing medical devices, developing treatments, and improving healthcare technology to enhance patient care and health outcomes. So, biomedical engineering in healthcare industry. The first is innovation in medical technology. So, biomedical engineers create new medical tools and technologies like better machines for scanning inside the body, or robotic arms for used for surgeries. These inventions make healthcare treatment more efficient and less invasive. So, in such way, it will be contributing to the innovation in the medical technology. And next is the improved patient care. In this improved patient care, biomedical engineers design a device. They design a device and a system that helps doctor monitor and patient and treat patients more efficiently. So, for example, we are having a wearable device that will automatically track your heart rate, blood sugar, so that may help for the doctor to make provide better care and quicker treatments. So the next would be the personalized treatment. In this personalized treatment means the name itself, we can know that personalized is something which is very customizable. So according to the person's unique body and health condition, we can personalize our treatments. I mean medicines. Yeah, for example, by using technologies like genetic testing, biomedical engineers help doctor choose the best treatment for a specific patient, improving the chances for the success in the treatment rates. In such conditions, it will be helping in this field, and enhancing enhanced diagnosis. So biomedical engineers create tools that helps doctor diagnose disease more accurately and quickly. For example, better imaging machines that to help detect problems like cancer and the cancers in the early stages. So it will be helping to diagnose things in the very early stages so they can avoid the problems going through so long. And next would be the minimizing human errors. So in minimizing human errors, with advanced technology like automated machines or robotics, biomedical engineers, we can reduce the chance of mistakes during the surgeries and diagnostic. ensuring a safer and more reliable treatments for patients. And the next is advanced research and development. For, for biomedical engineers are constantly working on finding new ways to solve health problems. They research and develop new treatments, drugs, and medical devices and technologies to improve healthcare and find solutions to diseases that don't have cures yet. So, personally, I believe biomedical engineering is a field that is suited for individuals like who are very interested in research. I feel that rather than pursuing like traditional job roles, or those who have whose career in research or entrepreneurship within this field would be very potential to earn more. So coming to the applications of biomedical engineering, uh, the first application would be medical devices. Automatically, in this name biomedical technology, it automatically is equal to like medical devices. It means that, so biomedical devices, we have job roles. In those job roles, we have medical device engineer, product designer. What would be the application of this is developing and improving devices like pacemakers, artificial limbs, or imaging machines, and designing and developing medical devices like pacemakers, ventilators, and diagnostic equipment to treat the patient care. So, and the next would be the medical imaging. So the job roles available in this is radiologic technologist, imaging equipment specialist, working on the machines like MRI, X-ray, CT scanners to help diagnose diseases. Working with image technologies such as X-rays, MRI, CTs to create high resolution of images of the body parts for diagnosing and the treatment. And next is the wearable technologies. The job roles would be health tech designers and the data analyst. In this, the application will be like creating devices for like fitness trackers or smart watches that monitor heart rate, sleep, or activity levels. Creating devices for them in a easiest way so that people can carry that with them. So next is the tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. Though the job roles would be tissue engineering and stem cells researchers. Applications would be developing new tissues or organs to replace damaged ones, such as organ transplants, artificial tissues, and replace damaged or diseased one. So the next would be the biomaterials. In this biomaterials, there are several droppers, but I have specified only one or two. Like the first is the biomaterial scientist and as a product developer, and the application would be creating materials like artificial joints, implants, or wound dressing that interact safely with the human body. Designing materials used in medical implants or prosthetics, ensuring they are safe, durable, and compatible with human tissues. Biomedical signal processing. In this, they'll be having the job roles of signal processing specialist, data analyst, analyzing data from body signals like heartbeats or brain waves to help diagnose and treat conditions. And in analyzing biological signals like ECG, EEG, EMG to monitor health conditions or develop diagnostic algorithms. So, coming to the robotic surgery, um, in robotic surgery, there'll be role of robotic surgery specialist, clinical engineering, using robotic system to perform surgeries with greater precision and less risk to the patient. Developing robotic system that assist in performing surgeries, enhancing precision and reduced recovery times. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. In this, we have the job role of a genetic engineer and biotech researcher. So, working on designing new drugs, therapies, and genetically modified organism for health treatments. So, working on advancement like genetic modification, creating therapies, and producing genetically engineered products for medical use. Hospital and clinical systems. So in this, the job role will be clinical systems analyst and hospital engineer. managing hospital systems like electronic health, or improving how hospital operate, and also managing ensuring smooth operation of the electronic health records and medical equipment in clinical settings. And the next would be the nanotechnology in medicine. In this nanotechnology in medicine, nanomedicine specialist and drug delivery design. These are two job roles, and what they do is they developing tiny particles to deliver drug directly to diseased areas, like in cancer treatments. So using nanoscale technology for targeted drug delivery, tissue regeneration, and disease treatment at a microscopic level. And next will be the orthotics and the rehabilitation engineering. The job roles available will be prosthetics specialist, rehabilitation engineer, designing braces, artificial limbs or devices to help people recover from the injury and the disabilities, and designing and creating devices like prosthetic, orthotic device or assistive technology to help people with physically impaired and regain mobility. Public health and epidemiology, and the job roles like public health analyst and disease specialist. So studying these like studying how these diseases spread and finding ways to prevent outbreaks and promote health in communities. Studying disease patterns and outbreaks to improve health policies, focusing on prevention and management of the public health issues. So these are the demand skills for the biomedical engineering engineers currently. And next is the job roles for the biomedical engineering. So the first one is a product development engineer. In this product development engineer, what they do is they design, prototype, and they test new products, ensuring they are functioning properly, whether they are safe to use and meet the healthcare needs. This can include anything from developing new types of surgical instruments to wearable healthcare devices. So they work closely with the other engineers, researchers, manufacturers to bring the product to life. So the next would be the regulatory affairs specialist. So they prepare and submit a product of approval document to create regulatory bodies, ensure that product comply with the laws and safety standards, and also they stay updated on the regulations. They must be in the field to know all the things about the regulatories, and they work to ensure that all the documentation, testing, safety checks are in place for products to be marked legally and safely. Biomedical equipment technician, they inspect and they inspect and troubleshoot medical devices, ensuring they are working correctly and safely. They also perform routine maintenance, repairs, and software updates, and sometimes assist in training healthcare profession on how they use the equipment properly. Their role is crucial in ensuring that medical device function properly, preventing downtime and ensuring patients and safety. So the next role would be the clinical engineer. In this, clinical engineer works. They ensure all the medical devices are installed, maintained, calibrated, and used safely. Clinical engineers also help healthcare providers to select the right equipment, monitor its performance, and make sure it meets the health and safety regulations. They may also assist in training medical staff to use the equipment properly and troubleshoot and any issues that arise, technical issues that arise during the patient care. And the next is the sales and marketing specialist. So they conduct market research to understand customer needs, create marketing strategies, present products to clients, and ensure that products reach the target audience. They also build relationship with the healthcare professionals and maintain knowledge about the industrial trends. Quality assurance or control engineer, so they need the medical products, review production process, and identify any issues or defects. They also ensure compliance with regulations, make sure that products are safe and reliable for patient for use. Entrepreneur in biomedical entrepreneur. So They develop business ideas, create a product or a service, raise funds, and they manage companies' operations. They also take risk of the many bring new biomedical innovations to the market, and their goal is often to provide healthcare while generating the profit. So these roles play important parts in bringing the biomedical products to the market, ensuring their quality and their driving innovation in the healthcare industry. So the pros of the biomedical engineer as a career. So basically, biomedical engineering has many pros. So the first would be high impact on society. For example, biomedical engineer develops a prosthetic limbs that significantly improves the mobility and quality of life for the amputates. So in this way, it makes high impact on the society and diverse career opportunity. In this diverse career opportunity, a biomedical engineer works in research, then transits to a role in regulatory affairs, ensuring that medical device meets safety standards. So, biomedical engineers offers a wide range of career paths, including roles in research, healthcare, medical device development, regulatory affairs, and entrepreneurship. This diversity allows professionals to find positions that match their interests, whether in clinical settings, manufacturing, or academic or business. So the growing demand. So as the demand for wearable technology increases, biomedical engineers are in high demand to design and improve devices like smartwatches that monitor heart rate and fitness. Opportunity for research. Biomedical engineers developed a low cost diagnostic tool for early detection of infectious diseases, helping improve healthcare in remote areas. They also offer excellent opportunity for research, allowing professionals to contribute to groundbreaking advancement in healthcare. Researchers can develop innovative solutions that address pressing health challenges, improving patient outcomes, and the quality of the life of the people. Contributing to the public health. In when public health, biomedical engineers develop a low cost diagnostic tool for early detection of infectious diseases, uh, helping im- helping improve healthcare in remote areas. The flexibility and the lifelong learning. Biomedical engineers offer us flexibility in terms of career paths as professionals can work in research, product development, healthcare, or education. It also encourages lifelong learning because technology and medical knowledge are always evolving. So staying updated is essential for success. A biomedical engineer shifts from work in medical devices design to becoming a research focusing on the gene therapy. Constantly learning new techniques in this field would help them. This is an example of that flexibility and lifelong learning. So the next will be the global opportunity in high demands of the worldwide, offering job opportunities across different countries. As healthcare technology advances globally, biomedical engineers can work in various healthcare sectors, research institutions, and medical device companies, creating solutions that have a positive impact on the global health. For example, he works in an international medical device company, developing products that improve healthcare in both the developed and the developing countries. Finally, the contribution during the crisis. So, in this time period only, we'll be getting to know like how the biomedical engineers are important uh, in the period of the crisis. So, they play a crucial role during the health crisis, such as pandemics, by quickly developing and improving the medical equipment, treating methods, and the diagnostic tools. They also contribute and contributions of saving the many lives and mitigate the impact of health emergencies. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, biomedical engineers designed and product produced many ventilators, helping the address of the surgeon many demands in the respiratory support. So the cons of the biomedical engineering. as a career. So I would never tell this as a cons. It is a challenge. So the challenges of a biomedical engineering in this career is, so limited awareness and opportunities. So as students interested in biomedical engineering may struggle to find job opportunity or even awareness of this field potential in smaller towns or countries with less advanced healthcare facilities. um, like in this reason they may be lagging for the opportunities or the awareness. So work life balance and challenges, biomedical engineers, especially those in research or medical device development, may face long working hours or stressful deadlines affecting their work life balance and also their sleep cycles also. So in such ways, work life balance challenges will be more high initial investment for entrepreneurs. So, starting a business in this biomedical engineering field can require a significant financial investment for research. So, like basically, equipment like CT or MRI would be in crores. So that, like normally we can't invest like that in this field, as in other fields. So, it is very high initial investment for the entrepreneurs. Slower career growth in certain roles. In some areas of the biomedical engineering, career advancement can be slow due to the limited job openings or the needs for high specialized skills. So, working in small medical device companies might face slow career growth due to the lack of the leadership or promotional within the companies. So, the competitive job market. Uh, this field is highly competitive with many qualified candidates for a limited number of job openings, so making it challenging to secure a position. But biomedical engineering students may find it difficult to land their destination job because many of the candidates with the similar qualification would be also applying the same for the same job role. So skills is very important rather than lagging in the job. So high responsibility. Biomedical engineers often have a high level of responsibility as their work is directly impacts patient health and safety, which can lead to stress and pressure. So, a biomedical engineer designing a medical device like a pacemaker must ensure it functions flawlessly, and any error could occur, result in serious harms to the patient. So, placing a heavy burden on their shoulders. So, additionally, I have a tip to say, like, which is from the first year itself, you can go on your internships and you can do many certification courses, and like Coursera, Udemy, or NPTL. So trying to attend try to attend many workshops conference as possible, so it will help you in the future while you are like making your resumes, and it will really help you in your third year while giving your inputs for your many project or the minor projects. So in such way, it would be an additional tip. And as we have like time, I would like to introduce about the topic medical regulatories in short. At least I'd give the definition of that. So medical regulatory, I think many of them won't be knowing about this topic, as it is very rare to see this. And this medical regulatory is a set of rules and guidelines that procedures that govern the approval, manufacturing, and post market surveillance of the medical devices. So they'll be having certain rules in the medical fields for the medical devices that will be properly maintained for the effectiveness, safety, and the quality of the medical devices in the healthcare. So it depends on the like national, international. Even though in international, it depends on every states. And there are like classification of the medical device in this India. It is only for the India. We have class A, class B, class C, class C. In other countries, it would be like class 1, class 2, class 3. Only high, moderate, and low. So in this class A, we have the low risk. In this low risk, low risk like bandages, surgical gloves, these equipment, like these things come under the class A medical device. And class B would be the low moderate risk, which is infusion pump or diagnostic imaging equipment. And the class C would be moderate high risk, which is medical lasers and dialysis machines. And the class D would be high risk machines, which is pacemakers, artificial heart wheels. So in conclusion, carrier in so these are job roles in the medical regulatories. Okay. So there are many medical devices companies which manufacture and in which they have their specialized devices. For each company, they have a special device. So for the Medtronics, they have the cardiac, neurological, and spinal disorder. They are advanced in this, and the J&J they'll be like advanced for their surgical instruments devices. For each medical devices companies, they'll be specialized in one thing, and it is about the diagnostic machines company names. And in conclusion, so, career in biomedical engineering is for individuals who are innovative, resilient, and motivated by the opportunity to make a difference in healthcare. So, by understanding both the benefits and the challenges, aspiring biomedical students can make clear decisions in their paths. And instead of seeing challenges, we can make challenges into opportunities and take that up. The chance of creating something innovative to medical device which is not at all existing, it would be great thing. So, before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for being here with me until every end. So, your patience and attentions and engaging means to me a lot, and I hope I am able to provide a valuable insights and spark some curiosity on the pros and cons of BME. So, thank you once again for your time and making this session special for me. So, any queries?
Great presentation, Teja Sri. Really, it was wonderful, and you have elaborated about each and everything. What are the pros and cons of this biomedical engineering? So, really wonderful presentation. And participants, so if you have any doubts or queries, you can able to ask her.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Teja Sri.
Sure,
Thank
sir.
you, thank you all on behalf of International Focus Biomedical, and thank you everyone for your patience to attend this session. Thank you, everyone.